how to convert your professional Instagram account back to personal account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your professional account back to your personal account. So first thing, simply head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. So as you can see, let me just show you by an example. When I click on my profile section at the bottom right corner, as you can see, there is a professional dashboard, which means it's a professional account. So to convert it back to a personal account, what I need to do is simply click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. So once I click on it, you have to scroll all the way down until you find this business tools and controls option under the for professional section. So simply click on that business tools, and from over here you can see there is the option called switch account type. So simply click on it. As you can see, now you can switch either to personal account or creator account. So since we are trying to switch to personal account, we have to click on first option, and just like that you have to click on this switch to personal account, and your professional account will be successfully switched back to your personal account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.